Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have permissions, now create the site. In the Sharepoint Admin Center, choose Create Site and pick Communication. Once done, enter the site name and unique URL, select the language, and assign an owner. Make sure to choose the template that matches your goal, topic for content flow, showcase for visuals. You'll also pick site sensitivity and storage settings now. These initial choices shape navigation and permissions, so confirm them before creating the site to avoid rework. Once the site exists, focus on layout and content. You'll edit the home page, set the header style, upload logo, and configure global navigation so users find content quickly. Add sections and use web parts, hero for top visuals, news for announcements, documents for shared files. Make sure to configure audience targeting and permissions on pages and libraries. This controls visibility. Also create template pages for recurring content. These mid-stage actions make the site usable and maintainable. To finish, validate sharing settings and review site permissions one more time. Assign readers, members, and owners clearly. Publish pages, enable search metadata for discovery, and register the site to a hub if needed. Then test on mobile and different browsers. If something breaks, clear your browser cache and re-add or reset the problematic web part. Check console errors for permission issues. Keep a change log and train owners on updates so you avoid recurring configuration mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.